Then LCM means least common multiple. What is the least common multiple? We'll see that least common multiples. Least common multiples. So what are the least common multiples? We'll see. For example, 10 comma 16 there. 10 comma 16 there. In that, when apply the LCM, we'll see that minimum two numbers or more numbers you can apply the LCM in between. So we choose one common multiple. Least common multiple is supposed to choose 2. 2 5s are 2 8s are. Next up, try to apply the next one. Minimum two numbers common multiple there. Here you can apply it here. We'll apply the number minimum two common multiples are there compulsory when apply the method. So there is no common multiple in between 5 and 8. Just simply multiply it. So there is no common multiple. You can multiply all these things. LCM of 10 comma 16 is 2 into 5 into 8. This is one way. Okay, another way also there. Common multiples, you can write that. This is a LCM method. Here, this is 2 into 5, 10 multiples. 16 multiples, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Or else 2 into 4, 2 into 8. Simply you can apply 2 into 8 also. 2 into 8. So here what are the common multiples here? Here 2 common, here 2 common. So LCM of 10 comma 16 is 2 common, 2 common. There is no common multiple here. So simply product applied. Here also no common multiple. What is a common multiple? 2 5s are 10 into 8. 80. So least LCM means least common multiple. So actually least common multiple is exactly applicable or not. We'll check it once. 10 comma 16 there. I said LCM is 80. Least common multiple. In between 10 and 16, least common multiple is 80. Suppose to least means below value is not applicable in between 10 and 16. That's the meaning. Least common multiple. Least value means there is no value in under 80. Suppose to 78 to any value is not applicable for in between 10 and 16. We'll check it once. This is multiples of 2 there. We'll apply the value also maybe multiples of 2. Suppose I will take that 70. 70 is here. 10 and 16. Any number can multiply with 10. You got a 70. So multiply into 7. You got it 70. Any number multiply, then you got a 70. There is no common multiple in between 70 and 16. Not possible. That's why 70 is not a least common multiple. Okay, suppose to verify it. 40. Here 10 there, here 16. Any number can multiply it, then you got a 4 multiplies, then you got a 40. But here, what about 16? So impossible to get that. Suppose to 48 you apply. 48 you can apply. 48 you can apply. Here 10, here 16. 16 into 3, 48 you got. But what about 10? Not possible. So it's not a least value. Least common multiple means common multiple whatever the given numbers. Suppose to your example is 10 and 16. The least common multiple starting with 80 only, not below. Below is not applicable. That's the entire meaning of the LCM. Okay. See that. Suppose to not common multiple there. There is no common multiple in between given numbers. Suppose to 2, 3, 5. What is LCM? What is the least common multiple in between? No need to apply least common multiple because there is no least common multiple in between 2, 3, 5. So in that case, what is LCM here? LCM of 2, 3, 5 is just multiply 2 into 3 into 5 only. Just multiply 2 3 is a 6, 6 5 is a 30. Simple. There is no common multiple, then product of given numbers. Suppose to 1, 25 there. Simply there is no common multiple. LCM of 1, 25 is 1 into 25. That is equal to 25 only. 25 only. That's a 25. Okay. Simple. This is a LCM. Suppose we will see the another example. 20, 15, 25. There. What is LCM? We will follow the first procedure. We will find out that LCM. LCM. Here, minimum 2 common multiples you can apply. Suppose you choose one. Suppose you choose 2. Minimum 2. 2 tens are 20. Remaining is not applicable. Remaining is not a multiple of 2. That's why don't take this one. So, remove this one. Next, which one applied? Minimum 2 common multiples in the given for the given numbers. Minimum 2. So 5 is better. List multiples of 5. Yeah, here multiples of 5. This one, this one. Both are all are 3 are multiples of 5 only. 5 4s are 5 3s are 5 5s are. So there is no common multiple. There is no need to write the next step. No common multiple here. So simply LCM of 20, 15, 25 is 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 5. So product of all these remaining numbers here. So what is the value here? 5 4s are 20, 20 3s are 60 into 5 is 300. This is a formal method. Suppose you can follow the multiples. You can write it as multiples of 20, 2 into 5 into 4. Next year 15, simply 3 5s are. Next to 25, 25, 5 5s are. So now LCM of 20, 15, 25 is, so common, anything common? 5 5 5. Just write 1 5, whatever the common. Remaining not a common. So write all the products. 2 into 5, 4 into 3 into here 5. 2 into 4 into 3 into 5. Oh no. Wait a minute. 2 is not there. 4 into 5 again. 5 4s are 20. Okay. So here 300. This 300 is least value or not? We'll check it. We apply the least common multiple. Least common multiple. How to check it confidently? Already before we'll see saw the question 60 and 16, 10 and 16. So here 300. Here 300 there. Here 300 there. Our numbers are 20, 15, 25. Here three numbers are given that LCM as 300. Every number you got multiplied something, then you got a 300. Every one you got that. So here 20, how much multiplied? Then you got a 300 into 15. 20, 15 is a 300. 15, how many times? 20 times. Already 15, 20 is at 20, 15 is 300. You got it. Every number multiply with something. Multiply with something, you got our LCM. If not get, that's not a least value. Okay, 25 how many times? 12 times can apply. Then you got a 300. This is LCM, least common multiple in between 20, 15, 25 is least value. Below value is not applicable. That's the meaning. Below value is not applicable means once check it that also. Already check it. We'll check 200. 200 with 20, 15 and 25. So 20 is what? 10 times multiplied. Got a 200. 15 not applicable. 25 this one not applicable. This applicable. 25 8 times. So but 15 is not applicable. This is not a list value. Like that. 3 numbers are given. Compulsory 3 numbers are satisfied like this. Verify. Cross check. LCM is least common multiple or not. Okay. That's the LCM. This is entire called LCM. Next one, HCF. HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor. Common factor. Wow. Highest common factor. So that is, we'll choose two numbers. I'll explain. 16 and 12. So long division method can apply. Got easily that easily got a HCF or normal factorization method we got or prime factorization method. Three ways we can apply it. So one is long division method 12 comma 16 12 comma 16 long division method can apply now. So that is called 12 here 16 right. So 12 16 one time only then subtract got 4 only. Here 12 here divisor next step it becomes dividend 3 times 4 3 is a 12 got a 0. So here last divisor is equal to HCF of given numbers. Last divisor. When this is the last divisor, every time HCF is in the long division method, divisor become dividend, and the last divisor as a HCF in the simple form long division method. There is no factorization, there is no prime factorization. Simply you got the answer. Okay. Next, prime factorization method can apply. Factorization method. So 12 prime factorization method is 3 into 2 into 2. That numbers compulsory prime numbers. So 3 prime, 2 also prime. Next 16. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So difference of LCM and HCF is in that LCM common factors applied one time. The remaining all are product. Here only common factors you can apply. Here 2 common, here 2 common, here 2 common, here 2 common. There is no 3 common, there is no these 2 common. So HCF of 12 and 16 is 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 only. Okay. That's it. 4 is the answer. Next, factorization method. Almost the same. So 12 factors are what? 2 into 6. 16 is 4 into 4. You can write deeply. Same as it is. You got that 2 into 2. 2 into 2. Here also same. 2 into 3 into 2. So here same. Here same. Here same. So that is equal to 2 into 2, you got us 4. But here, carefully listen. 12 and 16, you find out the HCF as a 4. Is it correct or not? HCF is correct or not? How to find correct or not? How to decide it whether it is correct or not? That's very important. Highest common factor. What is the meaning of our discussion? Highest common factor. Highest common factor is just write that. Suppose to here 4 is highest common factor, we'll find out in a different methods. Highest common factor or not, we'll decide it. Our name is HCF. Highest common factor is satisfied or not. How to satisfy it? So 12 factors are 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 16 16 factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 12 also, here 16 also. But highest common factor 1 common, 1 common. But not highest, least common factor is 1. So 2, 2, but not the highest. 3 is there common? No 3. So don't consider 3. 4 there, 4 there. 12 there, not there. 8 is not there. 16 is not a common there. So highest common factors are 1, 2, 4. In this 3, what is the highest here? 4 is highest. Our topic is what? Highest common factor. Our topic is highest common factor HCF. HCF is what? 4 only. So otherwise it's not a HCF of 12, 16. That's the entire thing like a HCF. So what is the use of LCM and HCF? What is the use of LCM and HCF? We will discuss. So finally, uses of LCM and HCF. LCM is mainly comparison of two fractions like 1 by 2, 3 by 4. This is a you need to apply greater than or less than or equal to, which value is suited here. Other one, suppose to addition of two fractions. Next, subtraction of two factors. Next, ascending and descending orders. Ascending and descending orders. Use the LCM. We'll see that example. We'll see this one. We'll compare this also. 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Both are LCM applied. 2, 3 is a LCM. Already we'll discuss. There is no common factor. Simply product applied. 2, 3 is a 6. 6 is this here. 6 is here. Which number multiply then got a 6? 3. Here multiply 3. So 3. Next year multiply with which one? 2. Here multiply with 2. Here also 2 by 6. Both numerators are same. Then compare with both denominators are same. Compare with the numerator. Is a greater than. Next, come to the addition. Same. LCM is 6. So here multiply with 3. Here multiply with 3. Here 3 plus. Here multiply with 2. Here multiply with 2. Then 2 by 6. Both 6 denominators are same. So simply addition 3 plus 2 overall by 6. So 5 by 6 is the addition of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Next subtraction would the same thing. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 6 is LCM. So here multiply 3, here multiply 3, here multiply 2, here multiply 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 6. Okay, this is the use. Then HCF is simply in a classroom 80 students are there, 15 teachers are there. You conduct the one function. Each teacher, how many students handled? Simply. So in between, you can find out the highest common factor. 15, 80. How many times? 5 times 75 subtracted 5. So divisor become dividend 3 times 15. Simple. So common, how many people are handled? 5. 5 people come minimum highest common 5 people handled. But what about the 5? Just leave it. That is a common find out. Highest common